Welcome, welcome. In the right corner, you have got Mixy Mixy She, and in the left corner, you've got hellsha Beach She, and your referee will be Macca. Macca from hellsha Beach Restaurant. Yes, it was Simadi's birthday, and then went to hellsha Beach. The D lady and her team went to hellsha Beach with Marcia. Marcia said that Macca said the bill wasn't paid. So, according to Marcia, she went to the bank and she drew the money and she paid the bill. I think the bill was 48,000, must be Jamaican dollars. So she take out the bill with Macca. She said she want her money back from the D lady who are the 48,000. The D lady say she know who Marcia no money because she settled the bill with Macca and she give tips as well. Some people say they remember when they went to the restaurant because this woman always use her camera and do a live. So people say they remember when she paid the bill. Me no know because me never watch it. So now Marcia now take to the tube and she cussing her BBC, her RC and her PC. Me fed up to hear the nice on the tube. And through that me no want to go on the tube. So if anybody see Macca, me want to know whether the bill was settled, whether Marcia settled the bill or not. If Marcia settled the bill, me will give her her money back, yes, because me want the argument to stop. The lady from the shop, she has got a new juice come out. And the new juice, I want to promote it for her. It's called the triple blend carrot juice, yes. And they've had some good results from this juice. They find out, say, it's good for your eyes, yes. Your eyes, you make you see better. And if you got any black rings around your eyes, it clear up your eyes, yes. It clear up the black marks around your eyes. So, me buy some of it and me try it and it's very good. So, if anybody see Blacker, tell him say, foreign woman want to talk to him. That's the end. Yes, a foreign woman talk. Please like and